Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and play Genshin Impact on your PC or laptop. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type Hoyoverse. They're the developers of Genshin Impact. Hit enter, and you'll see the official Hoyoverse website in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. This website is so simple. You just need to scroll down and you'll see all the games from Hoyoverse, including Genshin Impact. Select the game and click on it. After that, click on the green thing and you'll be directed to the download page for Genshin Impact. After that, you'll be directed to the download page for Genshin Impact. Just select the download button right there and click depending on your device. Since we're using a desktop, this is the option we need to select. Click the download button and the installer file will start downloading to your computer. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the Genshin Impact installer. Now click the file to start installing the game. You'll see the installation setup begin. Just check the terms and service policy, and then click the Quick Installation button. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the game. It's pretty straightforward. Wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is done, open Genshin Impact. Click the Finish and Launch button, and you'll be directed to the final installation of the game. Here, just click the Get Game button. Hoyoverse will display the game size and the default location for all the installation files. I recommend keeping it as is. Next, click Install, and Genshin Impact will start installing. Keep in mind, the installation process might take some time depending on your internet speed. Unfortunately, my computer has low disk space, but that's how it works. Just select the installation path, check the desktop shortcut box if needed, and click Start Installation. If you run into space issues like me, you'll need to free up some storage or choose another directory. When everything's ready, you can finally launch the game and start exploring the Genshin Impact. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Genshin Impact on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.